Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my staircase. This isn't actually my staircase, but you guys recognize this staircase from previous years. I'm moving up to the 3rd floor in my new apartment. So I'm sitting here because we have to go upstairs. So let's go. This is my light. Oh wait, okay. Can I just show my old room so they know, like, okay, so this is where I used to live. I'll put a flashback. This was my old room, and then I moved downstairs to a room just like this one. And now I'm moving upstairs. Katie, say hi. Kate. My parents got everything like newly furnished because 2 years ago we actually renovated the place so that tenants can move in. So now that I'm older, I'm able to pay rent and stuff. I figured I want to stay close to home, close to family, because look, my cousin's right there. Like, it's just easy. And then my dad's downstairs, my brother's over there, my cousin's up there, my mom and my aunt went for a walk. Like, it's perfect. Like, I want to do this so I can stay close to everyone. Stairs are not my thing. Okay, so now we're going upstairs. Let's go. Keep that. When you come upstairs, when you enter, you see the living room. Beautiful. I have 2 windows in the living room. It's amazing lighting, amazing lighting. My old room got no lighting at all. Like barely a strip of light at 9 in the morning. So I'm very excited about this to have a view. I have central air for the AC, so that's good. Okay, and I think I'm gonna put my couch here, and then behind Caitlin, I'm gonna put the TV on this wall, because there's 2 outlets. And then when you turn this way, we have a beautiful closet that I already put some stuff in to downsize. So yeah, I'm gonna put clothes in here, obviously, and jackets, and then down here, I'm gonna try to find I'm gonna try to build something in here so I can like be able to pull racks out and put stuff in. Shoes, anything, I don't know, miscellaneous clothing items. And then up here, I'm gonna put jeans and stuff. Oh wait, there's a light. I'm gonna put jeans and just like random stuff, you know, bins, like whatever's clothing items. And then when you come this way, we have the gas door. We have the bedroom. More windows. Natural light. We have a lot of cubby space. So I already started putting stuff in here. Like, these are all the bags that I had in my room, and then stuff that was already taking up space in my room. So I just put them up here for now. But as you see, it's a lot of space. And you can do anything with this, because eventually I want to build racks too. Opens up like this. Mad space. And then when you turn around, there's more space. So much space. I already put stuff in here. So this was stuff that was taking up a lot of space in my one room. It being here just looks like it's a little bit, so I'm very happy about this. I'm very happy to have my things put away and not just always seen in my room. I'm gonna put my bed here because this is the only place it could fit. Right here. Yep, this is the bedroom, and I have a fan. It has a remote control. I'm very excited because this is my first time having one of these. We can't turn it off right now because the batteries are broken, but. So that's the bedroom, living room. Then we come to the kitchen where Brianna is dining and whining.
Hello.
She's doing her homework. So we have a big island here that you can do so many things at. I'm gonna insert our previous conversation.
I bet it's spacious and like you can fit a good couple chairs around it.
We put bar stools already from downstairs.
Nice space.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a good place where everyone can definitely, I guess, talk and have those conversations. And we're kitchen people, so we always end up in the kitchen.
Yeah, and even if you're doing something like that and I'm here eating, it's not like I'm all up in your space either. So I really like the kitchen. The kitchen's a big boy. And then we have, this is my oven. Love a good oven. This is one of the cabinets. We just have cleaning stuff everywhere.
Space.
Right? I think this is gonna be a nice like snack, because we have mad snacks. So this needs to be a designated snack, right? I don't have that many spices. This can't be a spice. It's a snack one because we have mad chips. We about to have like
everything in there. Imagine we could put all the stuff for s'mores in there. That'd be so awesome.
I'm about to put zebra cakes, honey buns, those fucking oatmeal pies, soda.
Leah in her future kitchen.
Trying to clean up a little bit, man. I can't wait till we have like a sound system or something in here. Also.
I know, yeah. I'm gonna get. Oh, let me show them the cubbies again. We have more cubby space, just mad space for things. So here, I'm just gonna put kitchen stuff. You saw this. Yeah, all the kids are gonna be climbing in here too, so it's just fun. Like, I feel like even us.
It's a lot of space, yeah.
Lots of space. And even here too, we might like build racks or something to put stuff on top of.
Take off the light.
Storage. I like it.
Oh.
Hold on. Video purposes only, I'm not a electricity waster. Because I am paying my Con Edison bill. I'm paying Con Edison on top of rent, so this is only for video purposes, girl. Over here we have the other tenants' boiler room. Is there a light in here? Boiler room. This place will be fun. Outlets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boiler room. I'm gonna like get things to like hang a broom and just stuff. I'm gonna hang it on this. So I like that idea of just like popping it on and off.
I like how it has all these weird corners. Like what?
I love it. No, that's what I loved about Zach's room too. Like it just was like weird. Bathroom. Sink bowl. It has Clorox stuff on it right now. It's soaking, I guess. Window. Show the view. About to be out here like it's a balcony or something. This is the closest thing to a balcony in Jamaica, Queens, New York that you will get.
She was so nice though.
Right? It's nice. I used to come up here and watch the sunset when I was little. It was fun. We good. And then I get that toilet. My dad just got me this. Isn't that pretty?
You know you're an adult when.
I'm like, I love it. And then you know.
Yeah.
So here I want to get a mirror that opens up like a cabinet so that we can have even more space. That'll be cool. I like this though. I do like this. I do like it. And over here,
It's a shower.
stand up shower, baby. I'll miss the bathtub, but if I want to take a bath, I'll just go downstairs. But felt
So
too big for it
weirdly
anyways.
angled, but I like it.
I know, yeah. Let me get. Nokia. Oh shoot! I didn't see this for towels.
Yeah.
That's good. It feels like a hotel shower. Like I'm really into it.
Right?
It feels like nice. And over here, I don't know yet, but maybe like decor. What do you put here? Mirror? Another mirror?
I would put a mirror, yeah.
That would
Like
be
a
nice. Yes. Okay. I am sweating right now. So this is the place.
How do you feel?
I feel like we have mad space. I feel like I can move. Like I don't feel stifled.
Okay.
I do my little dancey dance. I've got my pants.
Wait, ready?
So we're gonna expect more content in here, right?
Yeah, I can actually, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna make my coffee over there and I'm gonna like look outside. I don't have to go outside anymore because I have a view. My view from my room is my neighbor's house in my backyard with the shed thing over. So I'm like, Dad, take that down. There's no light coming in this room. So like, I really like outside. So I've just been outside all year. So now if I'm feeling to go outside, I'm gonna just go outside right there.
True. Very true. Outro.
Can I get a So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching my apartment tour, my empty apartment tour. I love y'all. I'll see you very, very, very soon. Bye.